Hey guys, what is up and welcome to a new daily market outlook in which we're going to be discussing the major dollar pairs alongside gold. So let's dive straight in. Starting off with the dollar index. Dollar index saw a further dump in towards the downside as I mentioned in yesterday's video. However, since New York session we have been seeing a pullback up in towards the upside. So currently dollar index is just ranging, not a lot to be said. What I'll be doing is just purely waiting for it to break out in either one of the directions. So at the moment it's pretty much this high and this low, and we're just really trading between the 75% mark and the 25% mark, as you can obviously see. So it's just consolidation, not that much to be said at this point in time. I will be keeping my eyes out for this high and for this low, because once we get, let's say, in towards this high, fake out in towards the downside, because look, we have these descending highs, meaning liquidation above the highs. And over here, we have this low over here, which is a liquidation low. So just waiting purely for either one of the fake outs to occur, as is the case on euro dollar, which I will show in a second. But let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar saw a further dump in towards the downside. Didn't really pull back high enough as I would have hoped. At this point in time, what I can say is that this was your high, this was your low, this was your high, and now this is your low. Saw a break of structure on this low over here. Quickly drawing that in, it means that we're still in that bearish order flow. At this point in time, we'll be looking at the lower time frame potentially to see, okay, on the 1 hour, where do we have interesting areas to go short from? For instance, over here, that would be a nice area of supply with this liquidation high located over here. More logical, or it would be logical for Aussie dollar to just keep on pushing down lower, so just keep that in mind. Then euro dollar did exactly as I explained in yesterday's video. You can rewatch it. I mentioned fake out on either one of the highs or the lows. And most likely the first high it moves towards, that's going to be the first fake out. So beautiful fake out on that high, and initiated a dump. Was able to get one of those trades on my algo account. For the people who follow my automated trading account, congrats, was a nice trade. So at the moment just waiting for euro dollar to push down lower towards this low of 1.04447. Then pound dollar. Pound dollar is not really that interesting. What can we say? Like, if you look at the daily is bearish, but I would still like pound dollar to move up one more time in towards the highs. We've already seen liquidation on this low over here, and we did see a big push upwards. However, dollar index kind of prevented it from moving up higher, taking out this high at least, or at minimum. I would still not be surprised if we do take out this high, but for now I'm not really seeing any opportunities on pound dollar. Kiwi dollar, for Kiwi dollar, for a trade to occur, I would need to see a pullback higher, at least in towards like this level over here. At the moment, what you're pretty much seeing is like this. So meaning that this was your trend down, pull back down, push up, pull back, push up. So this is currently your structural low, this is your structural high, so we're still bullish. Not really anything interesting, to be honest. I would just like shorts from over here. Then gold is not much going on. As we can see, we did see a push up higher yesterday. Still waiting for another push higher to at least take out this high located over here. Then tap in towards supply zones, and then the big sell-off. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be dropping some signals later today. Wish you all a fantastic day, and thanks for tuning in once again.